Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be talking about a comment I received on one of my videos, and that comment is from someone called Mark Jono Johnson 5352. Now this particular person has commented on many of my videos in the past. He's a long-term subscriber. So first of all I want to say thank you very much, Mark, for watching my videos, for commenting, for interacting. I really do appreciate it. Now his comment says, "You got me into stacking a few months back, mate. Haven't touched gold yet, but I'm near 1,000 ounces of silver. So thank you for that. Hashtag highly addictive." Now, when I see messages like this, it's really inspiring and it really helps me continue to make videos for this channel, because when I first started this channel, it was a little bit of a hobby. It was a way of documenting my stacking journey. It was almost a way of creating a kind of video diary, something I can look back on in years to come, and I can watch my stack grow. I can see how much I paid for things. But it's really become more than that now. Like I've touched upon in videos in the past, it's not just a kind of hobby now, it's more of a lifestyle now. When I look to buy anything now, I compare to how much that would cost if I was to buy some silver instead. So for example, if I'm looking at a new pair of trainers or a new pair of shoes and they're say 40 or 50 pounds, I think to myself, do I really need a new pair of shoes or a new pair of trainers? I could actually buy myself another Silver Britannia or an American Silver Eagle or a 2-ounce coin or whatever it may be. And that is kind of the mindset that I've got myself in. So it's become much more than just a hobby. It's a mindset now, and it's a bit more like a lifestyle choice now when it comes to stacking precious metals, because you do have to make sacrifices. And for Mark to have said that he has only been stacking for a few months and he's already amassed 1,000 ounces is absolutely crazy. He says he's near 1,000 ounces of silver already. So it just goes to show that he's really been committed in converting his fiat currency into this stuff. And like I said, it's really inspiring to get comments like that, because when I started this channel, I never thought that the channel would grow as big as it's grown. I never thought I would have as many subscribers as I have. And it's just really inspiring to see new people that have just come on into the scene. They've discovered my videos, and off the back of watching some of my videos, it's made them go and do their own research and actually start stacking themselves. And like I said, it's really inspiring to see comments like that. It makes me want to produce more content. It makes me want to show more silver. And it's just nice to see that people are opening their eyes to the way the economy and the world is going, and they're actually doing something about the inflation rates instead of just letting their fiat currency devalue and year over year become less and less powerful in terms of spending power. They're actually converting it into stuff like this, which is actually shown over the course of many years to not only hold its value but also increase in value. So today's video is just going to be showing some of the pieces in my backdrop to hopefully inspire more people that haven't yet started investing in precious metals. Like I've said many times before, I'm not a financial advisor. You do always need to make your own decisions and do your own research before transferring your fiat currency into any type of asset or investment. I'm just here to share what I'm doing, show what I find works, and also show what I find fun as well, because this is one of the most fun investments out there. And like many of you know, I do have many different investments. My investment portfolio is quite diverse, but by far stacking precious metals is the most fun out of all of my investments. It's something you actually get to pick up in your hand, play around with. It's not just numbers on a screen. It's not an investment property that's hundreds of miles away from your house that you can't physically see. It's something that you can pick up, play around with, and really enjoy. So like I said, today's video is just going to be showing off some more silver that some of you might have already seen, some of you might have not seen it already, and just to inspire, I need to be careful with these coins, but just to inspire those people that stumble across this video and they haven't yet taken the leap, they haven't yet done the research into precious metals. Because I guarantee you, if you're like me and you're not very good at holding on to fiat currency, you're not very good at saving, I guarantee this is a great way of actually being able to build up a store of wealth, being able to actually save some money. And like I said before, it's a way of spending without actually spending. When you're going out and you're buying this stuff, you're spending money, so you're getting the satisfaction of actually buying something physical and having something physical sent to your door. But at the same time, all you're doing is converting your fiat currency into something that, like I said, over the course of many years has shown to actually hold its value. And like I said, not only hold its value, but also increase in value over a long period of time. And that is what I think is so great about precious metals. When I've been a bit short on cash one month, it's very, very easy to go into one of my stock apps or one of my crypto apps, sell a little bit of crypto or sell some stocks, transfer that money back into my bank account, and within, say, an hour or 30 minutes, I've sold an investment and I have the cash, and next thing you know it, I'm spending that on a lad's holiday, or like I said, a new item of clothing or a meal out, whatever it may be. Whereas you don't have the luxury or the option of being able to quickly convert this back into fiat currency. So although, for example, one of these, let's say one of these is £25 roughly, 4 of these is roughly £100 in terms of fiat currency. If I had £100 sitting in my wallet, or £100 just sitting on the table somewhere in your house, and you could try this as an experiment, draw out £100 from your bank, sit it on the side in your house, and see how long it takes for that £100 to be spent. It will end up being spent very, very quickly, whether you use it for your food shopping or you go out and you see something you want to buy, and it's very, very easily to quickly spend fiat currency. Whereas this stuff, you can't just walk into a shop and spend it. You can't quickly convert it back into fiat currency. Don't get me wrong, it is very liquid. I could whack this on eBay, the silver forum, even take it to a bullion dealer or bullion website, send it to them, and I could convert it back to fiat currency fairly quickly. But it's not as quick as, like I said, a stock app or a crypto app. So that's what's great about it. It really makes you hold on for it for a lot longer, and also you get quite attached. If you've got a selection of different items of silver, it makes you get a little bit more attached to it. So it's not as easy as like having some crypto or a stock and you can just very quickly sell it and convert it back into fiat, because you actually get attached to your silver. And like the hashtag in the comments said, highly addictive, and it is highly addictive. Once you start picking up precious metals and you start looking around and you see all the options there are and all the mints there are, and you don't know what route to go down. Do you go down the numismatic route? Do you go down the modern route? Do you get coins? Do you get rounds? Do you get bars? Do you get vintage bars? There's so many different choices, and that is why it makes it very, very hard to not get addicted and not become attached to your silver. And that in turn also makes it very, very hard to part with this stuff. So again, it makes you hold on to your money, your wealth a lot easier, because you don't want to just sell this stuff and convert it back into fiat. So thanks very much, Mark, for the comment. Thank you for inspiring this video. I hope you found this video interesting. I hope this video inspires those of you that haven't yet taken the leap to buy your first 1 ounce silver round or coin or bar. As always, thanks very much for watching. Thank you very much for all the support. Thank you for all the comments. I now have a PO box in my video's description. So if you would like to send me your stickers, if you've got a channel or a letter, whatever it may be, please feel free to use the PO box and send me your letter or sticker. I've also got a link to Stackers Social in the description box as well. Stackers Social is a Telegram group. It's a private Telegram group, so not anyone can join it unless they have the link. We've also got 5 moderators in there. Some of the well-known stackers from the YouTube stacking community are moderators in there. So if anyone starts spamming or anything like that, they'll very, very quickly be removed. We've actually got Cobra Stacker working the doors on Stackers Social as well. So yeah, so it's one of these, a lot of people don't like the idea of Telegram because you see all these kind of spam groups out there and you get a kind of a lot of bad press about Telegram groups. But like I said, because there's myself in there and there's another 5 admins, if anyone starts spamming or anything like that, they'll be very quickly blocked and removed. So far we haven't had any problems like that, and it's just a lot of like-minded people sharing what they're up to, sharing their latest pickups, and also we get some newbies in there asking questions about precious metals and what's the best items to be stacking and all the rest of it. So yeah, it's a really nice community. Head over there and say hello. Like I said, thanks very much for watching. Thanks for all the support, and I hope you have a very nice day.